These are the elevators at the Georgia Tech Hotel and Conference Center parking garage in Midtown Atlanta, Georgia. We have some ThyssenKrupps. They replaced the chimes on these. There's some buttons on that side. Inspected February 2023. Capacity 3,500. Here's a little view. What? It's a nice view up here. Here's your intermediate call station. Oh. What floor are you headed to?
Hello.
We're picking up someone. Ground is already selected. That button doesn't work.
Thanks.
I have no idea why these say 8 for the ground floor.
That's funny.
Have a good day. There it goes. And that's it.